Good morning, MMM fellow participant. I am Leonel Bernabe, 100 managers or 100 guiders from MMM Philippines. And I'm here to say thank you, MMM, for providing my help, and MMM pays me. I requested help dated November 2 for the amount of 3,500. Okay? Then MMM assigned me uh, first Gideon, but she failed to provide my get help. But the MMM replaced Marge. She provides me 3,500. MMM really pays, and I I am very thankful to our system that for the non-stop providing help to our community. MMM is a very wonderful system. It's a reward system for the people who are not hesitate to help our community. And I'm Leonel Bernabe again, 100 managers and 100 guiders from MMM Philippines. I would like to thank Sir Jiwa Brody, our community, and MMM Philippines. Together, we can change the world. Thank you.